Hello everyone, today I will show you digital logic design project simulation. My name is Abu Baita Tanvir. The project name is Fire Alarm Security System. I will submit this project to my digital logic design faculty Chowdhury Akram Hossain sir. Let's begin. Here we can see a circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram we can see a heat sensor, a smoke sensor, 9-volt battery, NAND gate, OR gate, green LED, red LED, and a alarm buzzer. Next, we can see a truth table. In this truth table, A and B are input, X and Y are output. So when A and B are 0, the output X is 0 but Y is 1. Next, when A is 0, B is 1, the output X and Y both are 1. When A is 1, B is 0, the output X and Y both are 1. When A is 1 and B is 1, the output X is 1 and Y is 0. Let's see the simulation part. We can see a heat sensor, a smoke sensor, a OR gate, a NAND gate, and two LED. We can find all these components in this place section. Now connect all the components. Now play. We can see when heat sensor is 0 and smoke sensor is 0, X2 is on, X1 is off. So when heat sensor is 0 but smoke sensor is 1, we can see the output both are 1. Now when smoke sensor is 0, heat sensor is 1, we can see the same result. The both output are 1. Now when heat sensor is 1, smoke sensor is also 1, we can see there is an alarm X1. Thank you all.